Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood. Welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is June 1st, 2018. May has come and gone, people. Want to give a shout out to my man, Teos Crypto. He wanted me to play some Will Smith Summertime. Thanks for the song request. That's a good one. I'm playing the instrumental, but you get the picture. What's going on, people? Hope you guys are doing well today. 1st of June, and it is summertime, that's for sure. Nice and hot out here in the Midwest, but I hope you guys are hanging in there. I know it's slow, but hey, we got to keep moving. We got to keep researching, keep finding those gems. This is when you separate the strong from the weak. When it's a bull market, everybody's winning. Now you have to be a little bit more savvy and do more research and find the tokens and coins and projects that are going to flourish. But we're not even talking about any particular project today. What we're talking about today is some real crazy off the map type stuff right here, out of left field. We're talking about a crypto religion that is being or has been created. I'm speechless, but I saw this, I'm like, let's talk about this one. And second article we're going to be looking at is should be some positive news as far as being bullish for the price of cryptocurrencies. Not so much for the type of players that are coming in my opinion. But Nasdaq launching their crypto exchange this month. I didn't know that. I covered this story, I think about a month and a half or two ago. And I did not know they had a launch date for June. Maybe this is what McAfee is talking about. A June explosion. I don't know. I'm still not convinced, but we'll take a look at that article as well. But first, you know the routine. We're going to take a look at this market cap. Cryptocurrency global market cap is sitting at $329 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is at 38.56%, down a little bit. And yeah, just kind of a mixed day, really, to be honest with you. Most are slightly in the red, but not by too much. But we're back on as far as the 24-hour. Most of these coins are down slightly, if up just marginally. And of course, for the last 7 days, the last week, pretty much red. We got IOTA 25% up for the week. That's interesting. I don't know what news is out of that camp. But yeah, not too much to really comment on. We're kind of right around where we were yesterday. Yesterday's market cap was 333 billion. We're right at 329, so not too much liquidity or capital coming in or lost, to be honest with you. So the chart also reflects this. We're just hovering around my pivot line, if you want to call it, bounced off of it. So let's just kind of see. If we can make a newer high here, that would be higher lows. So that's one, that's the second. And if we can make a move back up this way, that would be three. And higher highs as well. So let's see if we're building a bottom here. I told you guys I thought we were. Just looking at price action alone, it seems like we're slowing down and the bulls are starting to slowly take over the markets again. But hey, I don't have a crystal ball nor a remote viewing capability, so I don't know, and don't listen to me. Let's take a look at the first article for today. This is some crazy ass stuff right here, people. Cyber call. This is out of Ethereum World News. It says here, Augur founder launches new blockchain religion on Ethereum. Wow. A religious ceremony held in New York to unveil the new crypto cult. I'm thoroughly confused here. Matt Liston, formerly of Augur, has been embroiled in a $150 million lawsuit with Augur, claiming that he was forced out of the company. But that's not why he's in the news today. Says here, Liston is starting his own religion and he's putting it on the blockchain. The religion is called OX, what is that, Omega symbol? Donations will be received and spent via smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain, and decision-making will also be decentralized and blockchain-based using token-curated registries, which allow people to agree on rules and information without oversight. A religious ceremony was held in New Museum, New York last week as part of a larger exhibition hosted by the Rhythm Arts Group in which Liston distributed copies of a flame paper, he calls it, that he intends to use as the basis for the sacred religion text of the blockchain cult. However, the crypto congregation will ultimately be the ones who decide what does and does not constitute religious scripture within OX Omega. It's a religion framework that could allow for belief sets to update much more quickly and also to democratize the relationship between membership and convergence on what everyone believes in this religion. That's what Liston said. Ceremony attendance marked hyperinflation currencies of the past, such as Reichsmark of the Weimar Republic, with public and private Ethereum keys, perhaps as a gesture to cryptocurrency is the future of money. Liston also outlined the methods by which the first sacred artifacts known as totems will be created by the faithful. Also unveiled was a dog wall statue created by artist Avery Singer, who says she was drawn to the religion by the idea of decentralized leadership in a religious organization. Also revealed was a dog wall statue created by artist Avery Singer, who says she was drawn to the religion by the idea of decentralized leadership in a religious organization. Singer reportedly refers to Liston as a cryptsia and a cryptofit, although Liston said he does not use the terms himself. Singer goes on to say here, in this religion, the people participating and involved could essentially vote and continuously change the structure and nature of it, says Singer. Oh my God. That's pretty much this article, man. I personally don't think you can blockchain or tokenize everything now. Like, religion is something. There are definitely some cons to religion because I think religions are man-made. So I don't know, man. You guys got to let me know. What are your thoughts about this? I think this is some cuckoo stuff, some cult-like stuff. I don't think this will really fly at all. But you guys got to let me know. I thought that was an interesting topic. And really, it just brings up, how can blockchain be used within religions to make it more transparent. I think that is a way that you could possibly implement blockchain technology within a religion, especially like in churches where funds many times are misappropriated. They're not used in the proper way. People don't know where the funds are going. There's no transparency there. So I could see blockchain technology possibly helping with that. But you start going up a level to ideologies, and I don't know. I just personally don't think. You guys got to let me know. I thought that was an interesting article, though, to say the least. Leave those comments in the section below, and we can have a dialogue about that. I'll leave a link to this article as well. You can read up the rest of it and check out this guy's Twitter account, Matt Liston. I don't know, man. Liston, you need some help, brother. I don't know about this one. But on to the second article, and I told you guys I covered this about a month and a half or so ago. I knew this was coming. I just didn't know it was coming this fast. So we have Nasdaq here launching their cryptocurrency exchange platform this month. So let's take a look at this and have a dialogue about this. It says here, DX.exchange, a Nasdaq powered cryptocurrency exchange platform, is set to launch in June 2018. DX becomes the latest in a slew of crypto exchange services as the digital currency market continues to mature. The platform hopes to offer a robust ecosystem for OTC derivatives and crypto tokens. Says here that DX is partnering with Nasdaq to use the latter's matching engine to deliver a seamless P2P crypto exchange platform. According to Daniel Skoronsky, the CEO of DX, the platform benefits from the collaboration in three critical areas: brand recognition, that's true; technological infrastructure, yeah, that's true as well; and regulatory compliance. Damn, that's three strikes, man. Yeah, that's very true. That's very true. Over 70 exchange services all over the world use the Nasdaq matching engine. No trading fees. DX will not charge trading fees. Instead, traders will pay a monthly subscription fee of 10 euros, which is roughly about $11 US dollars. The zero trading fee policy is expected to attract customers from around the world. The platform also wishes to be at the forefront of transparency and accountability in the emerging crypto market. Wow. What do you guys think about this? I'm going to read some more, but man, this is, how can you beat that? Seriously. You know, I don't really like seeing this type of these types of companies like Nasdaq coming into the space. I think it's really going to taint this crypto space. But you know, what can you do? You can't do anything about it. You got to roll with the punches. But I'll have to say, some of these other decentralized exchanges, I don't know how they're going to be able to really compete on a level like this with Nasdaq. They have very, very good technology, good hardware, good infrastructure. All that is all there. They've been doing this for years. They know how to do this. They got redundancy layers, all that good stuff. So on top of that, DX is going to have zero fees. I don't know, man. I'm kind of pissed, to be honest with you. I'm hating on them because this is too good to be true, I tell you. So it goes on to say here, compliance with statutory regulation, says DX is fully licensed by the Estonian Financial Services Authority and by CSEC. The DX is fully licensed by the Estonian Financial Services Authority and by CSEC. This is the Cypriot market maker regulator. Platform isn't open to US traders, but the DX management is reportedly trying to acquire the necessary federal license to offer its service to US citizens. I didn't know that. Okay, so this is not in the US yet. The KYC procedure on the DX platform involves email and phone number verification, which promises quick and hassle-free identity verification. I mean, this is good news for liquidity, but I see this is not even starting in the US. Shout out to my man who sent me this article too. I forgot who did in the Web Room. I know Big Curious Mom was talking about it. I'm sorry for not being able to recall who sent that to me, but I don't know, man. You guys gotta let me know. Is this good for crypto or is it bad? Is this setting up more on-ramps for manipulation? I think so. But the manipulation, my whole take on manipulation is manipulation, but it's to profit. It's profiteering. So I don't really prescribe to, you know, people saying manipulation, this and that. They're trying to get rid of the little guy. No, manipulation happens in all markets, decentralized, clean. You know, even if we didn't have, let's say we had a crypto market without any federal oversight, there would still be manipulation. That's just human nature. We're bound to do that. Like I said, at some point you're going to have some misallocation of assets or people in that marketplace, and those individuals with more of that particular asset, currency, whatever it is that's being traded, eventually will be able to manipulate the markets. That's just how it works. So manipulation is actually natural. It happens. The longer, the more mature a market becomes, you have those pools of individuals or groups that have more than others, and therefore they can swing the markets. They can, they can do those types of things. So it's more of a competition. It's a game. This is what this is. And so I think for sure the people who have big money, once these types of on-ramps, these infrastructures get set up, like I said, this one is not available in the US yet, but we know eventually it will be. And these big players are going to themselves be able to move money, and the participants playing on these exchanges are going to be able to move money around and change market directions temporarily. Overall, you start to zoom out on any asset, most likely you'll see an overall trend that no one person can, or no one group can really dictate, right? That's my 2 Satoshis for the day, people. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and also click that bell if you are subscribed. Many of you are saying that that bell wasn't clicked and you're not getting alerted when I upload a new video every day. That's pretty much it though for today, ladies and gentlemen. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and I'm out. Summertime.